Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a level 40 Gigantosaurus. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Gigantosaurus, we're going to begin here at the eye. I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to come up like this, like a check mark. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up here. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve down and another one here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up and then it's going to curve down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go up a little bit. It's going to come down, and then it's going to go up and then back to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and then up here. Right here, we're going to add this little curved line for part of the mouth. And then we want to add the teeth. Now to add the teeth, we're just going to make some long, sharp, pointy teeth in here. And then we're going to add some more sharp, pointy teeth in here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down. And then for the top of the head, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come back. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to come up and then down here. Then starting here, we're going to add a couple little curved lines. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down like this. And a line that's going to come out. With a little curved line comes down and another one here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go up and it's going to angle up to here. Next, we're going to draw just a little line like this. And then starting up here, we're going to make the leg. So we'll start by drawing an angle line down. Then we're going to come in like this. Then we'll draw another line that's going to come back. Then we'll make a big claw like this. And another big claw like this. Then we'll make a line that's going to come up. It's going to angle over and in. Then we'll make another line that's going to curve up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point. And then it's just going to curve around. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Another one's going to come down here. And a line's going to come down to a point, and another one's going to come down to a point. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then in. And then it's going to angle this way. Make a line that's going to curve down and over. And another one's going to curve down and then over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come in. Now, starting up here, we want to make the big horn of our level 40 Gigantosaurus. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw a big line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and then down, kind of like a shark fin right on top of the head. Then the Gigantosaurus is also going to have a row of spikes coming down. And these are going to be nice, tall spikes. So we're just going to make some big, tall spikes coming down the back here. They're going to get nice and tall, and then they're going to slowly start to get smaller. And we're just going to bring them all the way down to the end of the tail. I'm going to add a little curved line right here. Now here's our basic shape of our level 40 Gigantosaurus. Now we just want to come in here and add some different details. I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that comes up to here. And then I'll draw a little line that curves right around there for the nose. I'll draw a little line or two right here by the mouth. And a little line that's just going to curve around here by the eye. I'm going to draw a couple little broken lines right here for the lips, and a couple more here. And I'll draw a few little curved lines right there. I'm going to add a few curved lines for claws. And a couple more for some toes over here. Right around the legs, we're going to add just a couple little curved lines. We can do the same on the arms just to show where everything's kind of like touching and connecting. And we're going to make a couple little curved lines up here too. Then we're going to make a couple little lines over here. I'm just going to make a few little broken lines right around here and a couple going right down the back here. I'm going to draw a few little broken lines right around the knees. And a couple more kind of right down the arms and legs. And there you go. There is your drawing of a level 40 Gigantosaurus. Now, when we start coloring this, there's going to be a lot of different stripes and everything on here, but I don't want to put those in because I want to make sure I can color those in. So there's going to be lots of greens and oranges and yellows. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.